very serious number. More than 2.6 million children in the United States are being raised by grandparents. Assistance for grand families is more vital than ever. And WRAL's Ken Smith explains how Interfaith Food Shuttle is lending a helping hand.
Food pantries provide a lifeline to families needing a little extra help. For seniors raising their grandchildren, that assistance is vital.
There are very few support groups for these families.
Glenda Clare is founder of the Fragile Families Network. She introduced us to a phrase, grand families. She says grandparents raising their young relatives don't get the kind of assistance that is available to foster care parents.
They don't get any housing allowance. They don't get any clothing allowance. They don't get any, allowance to do hair or to get involved in recreational activities. All of those are important for children. They don't get any of that.
A Feeding America study shows the Raleigh metro area ranked number 2 nationwide for food insecure seniors, and senior hunger was 11%.
A lot of it's on a scale of how much you make a month, so a lot of them are choosing between paying rent, also with the cost of groceries and inflation and all of that going up. They're really choosing between food and rent and probably medications as well.
Andrea Curley is the Interfaith Food Shuttle's Community Health Education Program Coordinator. She says for seniors with extra mouths to feed, the nonprofit's Grocery Bags for Seniors program goes a long way, providing food pantry staples, fresh produce, and even healthy recipes.
We rely heavily on volunteers. Our volunteer services staff and community health education staff and FRD, our food recovery and distribution staff, all work really closely together to make it all happen.
The monthly deliveries and the other Interfaith Food Shuttle programs are especially helpful to grand families.
They provide backpacks, to take home on the weekends. A lot of those families are very reliant on that. They're reliant on SNAP. They need that extra money to feed those children.
With the cost of living today, many grandparents on a fixed income, every little bit counts. Ken Smith, WRAL News.
And you can visit foodshuttle.org to learn more about their many programs, how to donate, or how you can volunteer. Together, we can help erase hunger in our community.